Congratulations again on choosing Auto Commission Suite. You're about to get started. But first, an important message. You see, since you've come with me this far, I felt that you might be interested in something completely new, something that not one other member has tried or even heard about. And that's because we're only just now nearing the end of the testing phase with this, but the results have been outstanding. Introducing the Auto Commission Suite Autopilot add-on. This incredible upgrade will instantly and automatically plug you into an unlimited supply of affiliate programs and an additional 1,000 campaigns to launch when you plug into your Auto Commission Suite software. Not only that, but we're going to be giving you another 10 traffic sources. This add-on is our very latest system and is proving to be our most lucrative one yet. With this system, you have the ability to get even more out of your campaigns, more sales, more money, and have more free time to really enjoy life. And all of these campaigns and extra traffic sources are automatically preloaded right into the software the minute you click that upgrade button. All of these affiliate programs are evergreen, and the campaigns work with any platform or niche you can think of. It also taps into some of the very best traffic sources on the web, across various social media platforms to increase your sales exponentially. With the Autopilot add-on, you'll be guaranteed the biggest affiliate commissions every day. Imagine having daily affiliate programs done for you with just one click. Imagine profiting across multiple platforms. Imagine automating the process and having us do all the hard work for you. That's exactly what this Autopilot upgrade will do for you. The Autopilot upgrade is not currently available to the public, and it's not available to our existing members either. That's because it is not yet past its final stages of testing, but it's making us a lot of money, so I want to give you the chance to try it out. That's why for the small price you see on screen, you can be one of the very first members to try out this special upgrade. And of course, your purchase will once again be subject to a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not completely happy, I'll give you a full refund. You're not risking anything at all, but you stand to gain so much. This is it, but I'll only be offering this to you once. And if you don't want it, I'll offer it to the next deserving new member. Now is the time to make the right decision. Click the purchase button on screen now if you want to access this exclusive add-on, the top-tier new and exclusive system that has been making us thousands of dollars every single week, completely on autopilot. Do it now or miss out. I know you'll make the smart decision.